Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hannah Morris, and it's my pleasure to be your customer service manager on board this flight to Manchester. I would like to add my personal welcome to you all, and welcome back our executive club members and One World frequent flyers. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. We will shortly be starting our onboard service. If you are seated in our Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering you a complimentary light meal and drinks from the bar. In Eurotraveller, we have a great selection of food and drinks available to buy.